looks crazy. Wait, I really want to try this out. So I saw this really cool thing on YouTube. It's just so cool. Like, look at this. So this is the first episode of my first series called Trying Stuff. Let's get right into it. So, luckily, I'm sitting on a towel right now, so I guess let's go and try it. So it looks like I take a towel, then put a bit of water on it. I've got like a damp towel here. I'll grab some soap. I think it has to be liquid soap or else it won't turn out as good. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 squirts. And then you rub it in hard. Then I'm gonna go put a tiny bit of water in there. This looks good. Now, let's go back to the kitchen to try it out. I'm gonna test it out in 3, 2, 1. It actually worked! Let's go! That was so cool! Subscribe so I can add more videos like this to my series. Thanks for watching. Like, that was crazy.